Hi everyone, we're going to start our chapter 12.3 math lesson with our math video.
Hi everyone, today we are looking at objects and we want to find out whether they are big or small. I have a big glass of water.
Hey, I have a small glass.
And I also have a big ball.
And I have a small ball.
Well, that's okay, Joey. Why don't we try a math puzzle together?
Oh, that'll be fun.
How would you sort and classify classroom objects using the words big and small? Let's look at our objects. Now, before we classify them, I just want to let you know, Joey, we can classify them in terms of color, shapes, size. And that's what we want to do today. We want to classify them in terms of size because big and small has to do with size.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's see here. Now, here we have a book, a crayon, a connecting cube, a yardstick, eraser, and a counter.
That's a lot of stuff.
Now, look at this. We have a book. Now, if we look at the other objects, Joey, does our book look small or does it look big?
Well, it looks kind of big.
It does look big. So I'm going to place my book in my big category.
Oh, yeah, okay.
What about the connecting cube? What do you think? Does it look small or do you think it looks big?
I think it looks small.
I agree with you. Yeah. Small. Okay. How about the crayon?
Oh, and
look at the yardstick and the crayon. Look at how
the crayon is much smaller than the yardstick.
Yeah, so I would say the crayon is
small.
And since we were talking about the yardstick, what do you think? Is the yardstick big or do you think it's small?
It's very long, so would that make it big?
I would say it goes in the big category.
Yeah.
Okay, we have two more objects, the counter and the eraser. What do you think? Are these small or are these big?
Well, they look more like the small items to me.
I agree with you.
What do you think?
Yeah, okay, great. These are all small objects. So we have our connecting cube, our crayon, our counter, and our eraser in the small category.
The small stuff.
And the book and the yardstick in the big category. So now, how many objects do we have in the big category?
1, 2. You have 2.
2, great. Good job, Joey. And how many objects do we have in the small category?
1, 2, 4.
Correct, Joey. Very
So there are 2 in the big and 4 in the small. We're now going to move on and do our first page in the chapter 12.3 workbook for your GoMath. All right, so we need to sort the big objects and the small objects. So first, we have a big square. It's going to go on this side. A small triangle. Gotta move it to the back again. There. A big rectangle. A big circle. A small square. A big circle again. A small circle. And a big triangle. You need to draw these shapes on your page 699. After you do that, you are going to complete the pages 700 using these shapes at the top, 701, and you will refer to the page 700 for the shapes and the numbers, 702, 703, and 704. Make sure to message your teacher if you have any questions.